Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great today. Welcome to my channel Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. I want to take a moment to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate you all for joining me in this channel today. So, today we will see what is happening with your person in this relationship with you. We will try to see their thoughts and feelings in this connection for you, and also we will have a look on the near future and long-term future of this connection with your person. First, we will see all the signs. So I can see your person can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an air sign, Libra, Gemini, and Aquarius. So just take what resonates. Don't worry much about signs, okay, because this is a general collective reading. So remember to take only those messages which resonates with you and leave behind the rest. Okay friends, so we will start with the bottom deck energy card, the Tower in reverse. So when this card is in upright position, it represents a very chaotic energy brought in by sudden change of events, and this change is though unavoidable. So it is an epiphany coming in out of the blue that changes everyone's perspective about the current situation. Sometimes these changes may be even for good, but still they will be stressful for you as you won't be prepared, and it will push your relationships to its limits. But when this card is in reverse, it indicates that your person was trying to delay something inevitable. They were trying to control the outcome of the situation in the past, and maybe they were sitting in this energy from a long time, which has adversely affected your relationship in the past. So spirit is really indicating that you or your person need to let go of the past and make a fresh start. What happens that sometimes we tend to run from the changes in our lives because it pushes us to take action out of our comfort zone. So spirit is saying maybe these changes are painful, but don't run from them, because you are only doing worse to yourself. Your person really missed an opportunity of new beginnings with you in the past due to their fear of these changes. So they have held themselves back in this connection and lost a wonderful second chance with you in this connection with this Ace of Wands in reverse. So with this missed opportunity, your person really holding themselves back in this connection, and now they are acknowledging also, because these energies are their feelings in this connection. So now they are acknowledging that they have really missed a beautiful opportunity with you with this Ace of Wands in reverse. So in order to move forward, we have to come out of our comfort zone, because if nothing changes, then nothing changes. Okay friends, so Ace of Wands in reverse means this opportunity was presented to your person only once, and which cannot be taken back. So I can sense that there are lots of regrets in this reading today from your person. I can sense their energy of full of regret and resentment towards this connection. So maybe you are married with this person, and in the past someone was not putting the effort in terms of making the relationship work. There was a lack of commitment from your person's side, and maybe they have workaholic tendencies. That is why they were ignoring you in this connection, with this 8 of Pentacles in reverse. And the Hierophant card represents religious constitutions, traditional constitutions, or educational institutions, or it can be related to a law. Okay, so I can see with these two cards clearly that your person was too much focused on making money. Okay, and they were due to the other responsibilities in their life, they were ignoring you in this connection. Okay, and your person is also acknowledging that, and they have now realized that they will be presented with an opportunity, and they have to take that opportunity to work in this connection. And with this missed opportunity, with Ace of Wands reverse, so they have realized that that they will get only the fruits which they have put in. So they will only get what they have put in. So they want to now resolve issues between both of you in this connection. It was an imbalance of equal give and take in this connection in the past. So your person want to have success with you in this connection. I can see that with this Wheel of Fortune and this 4 of Wands, but they have lots of regrets, and also they have lots of epiphanies in the past, that now is the right time to make a decision, or come forward in terms of making this relationship work. Maybe they were waiting for the right time. Okay, so just take what resonates. So with this 9 of Cups, though this card is in reverse, but with this card in the upright position, it is a wish fulfillment card. So you are their wish fulfillment. Okay, they though they have missed an opportunity with you in the past, but they have lots of love and feelings of affection for you. Okay, and they also want to equally they are also now ready to equally give in this connection. Okay, but in the past they are acknowledging that with this 9 of Cups in reverse, that they have worked against their true desires and wishes, and they were trying to do the right thing in this connection in the past, with this Queen of Swords underneath 9 of Cups in reverse. So their energy represents as Queen of Swords in the past. Queen of Swords in our traditional tarot deck represents that she connects to people with an intellectual understanding rather than emotional feeling. She has an innate ability to tell things as it is, without putting some filter, or without indulging her emotions into it. So she has an upfront and honest opinion. So your person is acknowledging that they were doing the same things in the past, but now they want to turn the wheels towards positive direction with this Wheel of Fortune, and want to resurrect the connection. want to correct those wrong choices made in the past. Lovers in the upright position represents, a soulmate card also, and a person has a deep seated feelings for you in this connection. But in a reverse card, it represents that you and your person has gone through some kind of divorce or breakup in the past, and because of wrong choices made in the past, because of some wrong decisions taken in the past. Okay, with this 10 of Pentacles in reverse, maybe your relationship was based on rocky foundations, or your person was neglecting your relationship for materialistic pursuits. So this 10 of Pentacles in reverse indicates disputes over money also, or finding that financial burdens, putting which and also say and also like finding that financial burdens, creating a friction in your relationship, putting a strain in your relationship also. So it also signifies like related to family. It signifies non-traditional approach to family values or relationships. So just take what resonates. It also sometimes represents marrying for money rather than love in the past. So maybe in the past they were struggling with their finances. They were thinking that you were doing well with your finances, so they were holding themselves back. They want to commit to you only when they are ready, when they are in a good position, when they are ready to match up with you in terms of finances. Okay, so just take what resonates. So underneath 10 of Pentacles in reverse, we got this beautiful 4 of Wands, so which represents success, happy married family life. Okay, so your person wants this successful life with you. Okay, they want a family with you. They want to build a strong foundation with you. Okay, and they are saying that they are also acknowledging that now they will they have learned from their past mistakes in the connection, and they have learned from their past mistakes, and now they want to come forward with more and they have transformed into a more mature person now, more responsible person now, and now they want to invest in this relationship equally. Okay, so this is a very beautiful outcome of your reading. So we got, as a near future cards, we got 8 of Wands, the Moon, and 5 of Wands. So maybe you can expect some swift communication from your person in the near future. Okay, but this communication will not be heart to heart communication. It is like they will their feelings will be their feelings will be cascaded, and not they will not put their feelings on the surface with you, because they think some competition in terms of you. They think that it might cause some sort of conflict if like this communication, if they have if they communicated you their feelings. Okay, they think that it might they have some fear and anxiety to get vulnerable with you, and they feel that maybe you can break them. Maybe if you rejected them, they will be they have lots of fear of abandonment, maybe due to their past relationships. So they feel this kind of this kind of feelings of fear and anxiety. So they feel they don't want to get vulnerable with you so soon. First they want to test the waters with you, they want to just see your reaction first in order to avoid conflicts. Okay. uh, for long term future in this connection, we got very beautiful cards: Six of Wands, Magician, and the Sun. So they we also in the reading, we have seen that your person wants success with you with this Four of Wands, and also it represents twin flame connection. Okay, maybe they see you as their twin flame, or you are twin flame, you are in twin flame connection with your person. So they are manifesting you in this connection, or you may be manifesting them back in this connection. Okay, so the outcome of long term future is very beautiful. You both will get success in this relationship. Reconciliation is there. Okay, it represents reconciliation. So you and your person will be reunited. Okay, and the Sun card also represents news of positivity, or if you are expecting pregnancy with this person, so it will be so it is very much possible with the Sun card, because you can see children sitting on the horse. So maybe you can expect some sort of pregnancy news. So overall your reading is very beautiful, friends. Okay, now we will see messages from your person one by one. We will be together again. I screwed up in the past. I want to have a children with you. So we got the Sun card also. So they want to have children with you. You are my soulmate. And twin flame also we got. And Four of Wands represents twin flame connection. So these messages are confirmation of this card. Twin flame, the answer to your question involves a spiritually based romantic relationship. We got passion. I am totally heartbroken. I want to be more than friends. So maybe you were friends with this person in the past. So this this relationship has never transitioned to the state of commitment. Okay, so now your person want to take this relationship further, and commit to you. We got separation. So I have already sensed in the reading today that you are separated from this person. Maybe you can be it is not necessary that you and your person are always physically separated. It is very much possible that there is an mental or emotional separation between both of you. Maybe you are living together, but you have pulled back your feelings and energy towards each other. So you both are feeling that vacuum in your relationship. So they want to fill that vacuum now. I'm jealous of you. You came closer than anyone. Please listen. I'm sorry for lying. You know you could break my heart. So that is why this message also resonates with this moon card and this 5 of wands. So they think that if they are too much vulnerable with you, they have some fear of rejection from you. Okay, so they know that you could easily break their heart if they tell everything, tell tell everything to you about their feelings or their past relationships. So just take what resonates, friends. So we have done with all the messages. Now I have pulled a song, love song, for this reading. Okay, so while writing a song, I always mention those portion of lyrics from which I've drawn to while making this songs for the readings. So I always mention those portion of lyrics along with the song, so you can take it as a message from your person or their deep seated feelings for you in this connection. So we got a song from Martin Garrix, Used to Love. We used to hold hands, now I dance alone. So they have feelings of regrets and feelings of that they have some painful feelings of they have some deep seated pain in this connection. I can sense while doing this reading today. So just take those messages, friends, which resonates with you. Okay, and that's all I have for you all today, friends. Let me know in the comment section below if this reading resonated with you all or not. I love to have you all subscribe to my channel. If you like this reading, please like the video and don't forget to hit the notification bell button to keep posted on my upcoming new videos. Okay, friends, so I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.